What is up, boys and girls? So, to finally finish 1 week later, hopefully. Oh, fuck. I forgot the bolts. Hold on 1 second. Okay, I got the bolt this time. That would be very helpful. Alright, so. Alright, I'm headed to hardware store to see if I can find some grade 8 bolts. And I'm going to try to get the Lincoln started today, considering the other week was a complete and utter bust. So, here I go. Alright, so I got the valve cover cleaned up. Well, I got all the old shit off. Sorry if it's windy. I got the new bolts. The new bolt appears like it's going to work. I haven't tightened anything down yet because I'm kind of scared torque specs are going to fuck me again. So I'm probably going to torque that real quick, get the head cleaned off for the valve cover, get the valve cover gasket on, and put it back together and probably try to jump it because I'm pretty sure the battery's dead by now because it's been like a month since I've started it. So here I go. Well, I'm just gonna try to attempt to start it with the valve covers off, or valve cover off, and hope that everything doesn't explode. If it does, I guess it's new engine time. I don't know if I just lost any of that footage, but I guess the battery percentage lied to me, told me it was, well enough battery percentage, and then just took a shit, so. Fun stuff. So, what just happened was, if it didn't do it, is when I recorded, I took the valve cover off and ran it with the valve cover off, and it seemed to be fine, so. Pretty sure it was the hydraulic lifter that went bad, so I'll probably make some time to replace all the hydraulic lifters and just order a whole set for the whole car, just to be safe. Right now I'm putting it back together. swear, this fucking car is a beast, and it just is just gonna keep running. It's terrifying. one day it's probably going to eat me like Christine because it's semi-self-healing. Well, it's been idle in like 10-15 minutes. Something kind of still ticking, but that could just be because the lifters are allowed to begin with. I don't know. So far it seems like a success. Whoa! So far it seems okay. I'm just gonna take it around the block real quick and see what happens, I guess. It still sounds funny under load. Yeah, it sounds funny under load. Well, we still got a problem. Sounds better at idle, but still kind of fucky under load, so maybe a little bit until I get some time to pull more things apart and see if I can see, it sounds fine revving at idle, so that's strange. It is idling a little high, but I think I created a vacuum leak when I was working on the car, so that's fair. But yeah, I don't know, maybe some of you guys have some suggestions of things I could look at other than just pulling the heads and taking a look at the cams and stuff. I don't know if the cams have gotten flattened out or what. I mean, the car it has 68,000 miles on it, so it should be like relatively okay, I would think, but there's just no telling with a car this old. It's the 462, so it's the least desirable motor from what I've understood. So it may just be time to try to find like a 460 or something, and at least for a temporary engine swap. Unless Ford, you want to talk about some motor swap options, I would be more than happy to give you some ideas that I have. Oh, maybe I should pull closer to the curb. Okay, park closer to the curb. Achievement unlocked. Well, I guess I kind of parked closer to the curb. Whatever. Life is hard. Alright guys, well, see the end of that. I don't... kind of looking for opinions I guess at this point. I'll post around in some groups. See what everyone says. Sorry if the lighting is bad. But, hey guys, give me some suggestions. Man, I can talk, right? I'll kind of go from here. I don't really have any good ideas, so... Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this is a follow-up you guys were wanting to see, and